Hello viewers, welcome to 3 minutes tutorial. Today's episode, how to easily remove background from the hair in Photoshop. So let's jump on it. You can see I have taken this picture, this blondie hair, and I have taken a background. I will remove this hair from the background, this white part, with few clicks, with very few steps. First of all, I would suggest you to click, after clicking any selection tools, I would suggest please click first select and mask with this layer. Yes, then you can use refine here, but then you can select subject. Yes, the background has been removed. You can see with overlay that Photoshop did very good job. Now I am in onion skin mode. Here you can see that object aware, refine mode is object aware, but object aware actually used when very complex background. I would suggest for this type of background, contrasty background, please use color aware. So I am checking this, clicking this, okay, and also use shift S. See, this is much more better, not too far, but this is much more better. And finally please check decontaminate colors. Do not use too much, not 100%, but pull up this slider, pull down, pull up, and I think this is okay. And then click OK. So this is our background removed. This is our hairy part removed. This is a very tough job, but with few clicks I have managed to remove the white part. This is the background and this is the image. So check it. So today's tutorial is, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like, please subscribe my channel to get videos like that, and also you will get notified when new. Please click the notify button so that you can notify when new video will be published. Thank you viewers, take care.